Hey Rockford, welcome back to this week's special Thanksgiving edition of Beyond the Rock School News.
This week we have many different stories ranging from how to help with the holidays, fun Thanksgiving traditions, and we even have our own Mrs. Campbell showing one of our students how to make a turkey. I'm Mr. DeYoung.
And I'm Mr. Springer. Beyond the Rock School News starts now.
The holidays are a great time to give back to the community, and locally, North Kent Connect is one organization that offers a variety of ways that you can help out families during the cold season.
Our first story on today's episode features all the ways you can help out those around us and reach out to the people in our very own community.
I think the best thing is seeing directly how it's impacting families. It's I don't have to leave work knowing did that help, I do know.
The North Kent Connect Center does so much for our community as they provide a wide range of basic essentials for people in need.
The biggest thing we're known for is our food pantry. So it's free to the community, and anybody that signs up to be a client can come in and they pick their own food. But then we also help with housing, utilities assistance, families that need to get into shelter with Family Promise.
The busiest time of year for the North Kent Connect Center is the holiday season, and there are so many ways to help make our community feel loved during this time of year.
So we have 2 holiday pantries for Thanksgiving and Christmas, and then we also do free gifts for kids. So we're always looking for donations and volunteers to come help during the busy season. And then one of the biggest things everybody can do, our thrift store actually funds our programming here, and it's open to the public, so anyone can come in and shop that.
With Thanksgiving coming up, they need a lot of help and donations to help make sure everyone is provided the Thanksgiving they deserve.
We have, I think, 160 families signed up for just Thanksgiving. That's not including the Christmas stuff. So we're doing a ton. We have to order a bunch of food, get it all prepared and set up, and then manage all the families coming through. So there's a lot to really kind of work through.
You can go to nkconnect.com to see opportunities for donating or volunteering, or stop by the North Kent Connect Center to give back to our community. I'm Madeline Kennedy with Beyond the Rock, signing off.
Don't forget to send in your donations to North Kent Connect and visit their website at nkconnect.org for volunteer opportunities. They can always use your help, especially during the busy holiday season.
They're always looking for new faces, volunteers, and donations.
Mr. Springer, as we move into the Thanksgiving holiday, do you have any Thanksgiving traditions at the Springer household?
Just going to my parents' house for dinner.
Oh, okay, that counts. You're not alone in having a tradition. Next up, Gabby Flossinger has the chance to see what some of our students and staff's family Thanksgiving traditions are, and also seeing how good RHS is at a good old turkey call. Mr. Springer, you give me your best turkey call?
Not a chance.
Well, hopefully Gabby has more luck than I did on that one.
Hey Rockford, it's Gabby Flossinger, and today we're going to see what some of your favorite Thanksgiving traditions are. Let's go. Sir Astor, what are some of your favorite Thanksgiving traditions?
So we eat with our family. We hang out first in the morning, though, with some family friends, watch the Macy's Day Parade, have some breakfast with them, and then we go have dinner with our family.
Watching Charlie Brown with my family.
Thanksgiving traditions. I like to eat food. Yeah.
What type of food?
Turkey.
Watching football, hanging out with family, and eating food. Good food.
I look forward to Thanksgiving every single year. My favorite tradition is probably watching the Lions, but not
Watching them lose?
Oh yeah.
We get together with our family and have a nice big dinner, and then we'll sit and go around the table and say what we're thankful for that year, and then do a family walk and end up playing cards at the end of the night.
It looks like we have a lot of interesting traditions here at Rockford. We hope you have an excellent Thanksgiving. This has been Gabby Flossinger with Beyond the Rock, signing off. Can you give us your best turkey gobble, please?
Gobble, gobble!
Gobble, gobble.
That was bad.
That's all right.
I really love seeing everyone's traditions. My personal favorite in my own family is just a lot of fun cooking with my kids. We have a lot of fun just baking in the DeYoung household.
I bet you do. Speaking of cooking, coming up next, Mrs. Campbell taught one of our students, Presley Workman, how to make a turkey.
All of this right after the break.
più farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno d'intorno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor.
I'm Presley and this is Mrs. Campbell, and today she's going to be teaching me how to prep a turkey.
You ready?
Yep. What is in there?
Turkeys always come frozen, so you want to make sure that you take it out at least 3 to 4 days prior to, so it's not fully frozen.
First, we had to unwrap the turkey and undo the legs.
You can't take that out, it's just a fat.
After taking out the gizzards, I coated the whole turkey in melted butter.
She didn't know she was getting her hands dirty this morning.
Oh, I didn't know you were going to make me take the gizzards off.
So you are going to do a good coating of poultry seasoning.
As I covered the turkey in poultry seasoning, Mrs. Campbell made the baste, which consisted of white cooking wine and butter.
Gotta get into the legs, like the armpits, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Then I found out that turkeys have armpits. I guess you learn something new every day.
This side. So get a little bit of butter on your hands, put that on there.
Now it's time to prep the bottom side.
Press on your hands. Just kidding. Yum. They spray the bottom so it doesn't stick. Here, I'll put her in here. Before we put the cheesecloth on now, we're gonna stuff the cavity.
I stuffed the cavity with onions. Delicious. We soaked the cheesecloth in our base mix and then draped it over the turkey.
As long as you are diligent, the biggest thing with this is basting every half an hour. Want to get it in the oven?
Yeah.
Now we sit for 3 hours.
And voila, we are done.
The turkey was finally done. Then it was time to cut it up and try it. It was amazing, so perfectly done. Mrs. Campbell definitely knows how to cook a turkey. This has been Presley with Beyond the Rock. Have a happy Thanksgiving, Rockford.
Seems like Mrs. Campbell taught Presley a lot.
She most certainly did. That Mrs. Campbell knows her stuff. If only she taught a class that students could sign up for. Well, before we sign off, we will send it down to Mr. Clark for some last minute announcements.
Where's he at?
Clark?
Hey, Rockford. And those were turkey calls by Mr. DeYoung. Great job. Thank you for all of you who participated in Cabaret. You did a great job. Winter sports are beginning soon. We wish everyone a great start to their season. Musical tryouts for Shrek are on the 29th through the 31st of November. We hope you had a great shortened week, and we hope you have a great long weekend. Happy Thanksgiving.
Well, that's all we have for this week's edition of Beyond the Rock School News, Mr. Springer.
Thanks for tuning in, and we wish you a wonderful Thanksgiving. Once again, I'm Mr. Springer.
And I'm Mr. DeYoung. Have a great extended weekend and a most excellent Thanksgiving. Looking forward to seeing everyone 20 pounds heavier come Monday.
Hey, Rockford, will you shut up? Hey, Rockford, welcome to this week's special.
Clear!
Block! You like that pause in there? That was pretty dramatic, wasn't it?
Felt like the wording was weird.
I think you chunked your pants.